Hi guys, I'm Soumya and this is my very first YouTube video. I'm excited and nervous both. So without any further ado, let's get started. Today I have with me some of my favorite bath and body products. I'll leave links to all the products in the description box below so that you can easily check them out. So the very first product that I absolutely love is this stress relief body wash from Bath and Body Works. It has eucalyptus, spearmint and other essential oils. I love it because this isn't drying on the skin at all. I also love Body Shop's Shea Body Wash, Shea Butter Body Wash, and that is also not drying on the skin. I have very dry skin and I literally use products that do not make the skin dry, that have essential oils or shea butter or something that is more moisturizing on the skin. The other option that I have here is this Body Cupid's Aqua Wave Bath and Shower Gel. This is also not drying, has essential oils, and the best part is it is sulfate and paraben free. So I got these products in a PR package. They were sent to me by the brand to try, and I was literally amazed by the quality and the price of the products. They are the best in this price range. This literally costs $2.99 for, I think that is 200 ml. So they always have some fun offers running on their website, like buy 4 and pay for 2. So do check out their website for amazing discounts and offers and for literally best quality products. Moving forward, we have two body scrubs here. One is again from the Body Cupid's chocolate body scrub. It's paraben and sulfate free with the peppermint essential oil. This one has a very creamy texture to it, and I think you can use this scrub in winters, and people who have dry skin like me can use this all year round. The other body scrub that I have here is the very famous M Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Body Scrub. So this one is again a very good body scrub, and this is I think fit for people with normal to oily skin. Next up I have over here is body lotions and moisturizers. So the first body lotion I have here is Coco Soul Nourishing Body Lotion. I'm sorry, I've used this one a lot.
It is good for all skin types. It lasts for, I think, for good 4 to 5 hours and is not at all sticky, and it absorbs in the skin instantly. You can see.
It smells like coconut and sandalwood mixed. The best part about is it's free from all the chemicals and they do not test on animals. I think all the products that I've mentioned here are not tested on animals, so yeah. Moving on, I have here is this warm vanilla sugar body lotion by Bath and Body Works again. It has shea butter and vitamin E, and it's a 24-hour moisture body lotion.
It smells like cough syrup, I think.
I love everything about this product, but I just don't like the smell of this, and I literally select all my products by their smell. I don't know, but I just don't like its smell. I only bought it just because it's from their best selling products, and people are raving about this product. People are actually raving about this whole range of warm vanilla sugar, and I just don't like it. So now I have my most favorite product with me. Actually, I would say it's the star product of this video. Its name is also in the stars, Ultra Sheer Body Cream. Also, this smells, oh my god, this smells amazing. it's great for all skin types. It is not at all sticky. It lasts for good 6 to 7 hours, and it literally has everything that a body cream or a body lotion should have. I loved it so much that I've ordered all the products from this range that is in the stars, and yeah, I love it. I have my another favorite over here, and that is Gingham Fine Fragrance Mist by Bath and Body Works again. I can literally rave about this product all day long. This has literally amazing smell. It has some musky and woody undertones to it, and yeah, the smell, that sweet smell lingers all day long. Oh my god. So the two ranges that I loved, absolutely loved from the Bath and Body Works are these two. So these were some of my favorite products that I absolutely love, and let me know in the comment section below which one was your favorite. I'll leave all the price and the links to these products in the description box below so that you can check them out. And most of these products are right now on discounts on the Nykaa Pink sale. In case you like the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time.